So we're here, we're on the marsh, and this is just, I mean, it's always stunning anyway, but this morning is something else. Yeah, we've walked this
river's quite still as well.
many times in different weathers. We've never seen anything. And that sun, I swear to God, that sun is brighter than it normally is. And I've been saying that for a few weeks actually. River, perfectly still. It's on a still point, it's on a turning point. Because when it comes in and goes out, it's really quick. Really quick. So it's on a still point right now.
Well, that view there is stunning.
Yeah.
Absolutely stunning. Picturesque.
It's like out of, well, if you look just at that bit there, without the buildings in the background, that's very Lord of the Rings. Lord of the Rings or King Arthur, you know. It's magic. Pure magic. It's amazing. We love it. Okay. We're going. Be fearless. Stay witchy.